What if I told you that artificial intelligence already knows your deepest secrets? Not just what you bought online last week, but your hidden fears, your secret desires, and the habits you think no one else notices. What if I said that this machine, this code, knows you better than your own family? It sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. Jaw-dropping studies have shown that AI can predict your personality traits with more accuracy than your spouse, your parents, or your best friend, simply by analyzing your online behavior. Imagine a machine knowing your vulnerabilities before your partner does. Picture an algorithm figuring out what makes you happy, sad, or angry, just by watching your digital breadcrumbs. It's a chilling thought. Your every move online, the posts you like, the videos you watch, the questions you Google in the dead of night paints a picture. A picture so detailed, so intimate, that it reveals the very essence of who you are. How is this possible? How can a non-thinking entity understand you more deeply than the people who have known you your entire life? The answer is more shocking than you can imagine, and it's already unfolding all around us. Stay with me, because we're about to pull back the curtain on how AI cracked the human code. So, how did we get here? How did this silent observer become so powerful? It all starts with data. AI systems are not born smart. They are trained. They have fed massive, colossal datasets of human behavior. We're talking about every social media post you've ever scrolled past, every product you've added to your cart, every search query you've typed into Google. In the UK, public cameras with facial recognition analyze expressions. In the US, your credit card history tells a story of your life choices. Across Europe, your browsing data is a goldmine for advertisers. This isn't just about a few tech companies in Silicon Valley. This is a global phenomenon. Governments, healthcare providers, and advertisers are all using AI to create a digital version of you. Every click, every like, every second you spend watching a video is a puzzle piece. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't forget. It connects these pieces with terrifying efficiency, building a profile that goes beyond simple demographics. It's not just about knowing you're a 30-year-old living in a certain city. It's about knowing your political leanings, your emotional state, and even your relationship status. You might share your happy moments with your family, but you share your unfiltered, raw, and honest self with the internet, and AI is always watching, always learning. So how exactly does it turn your digital footprint into a crystal ball that reflects your very soul? The secret lies in a groundbreaking psychological discovery that a machine learned to master. Let's dive into the science. For years, psychologists have used the big five personality traits: openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism to understand people. It used to take long questionnaires to figure this out. Not anymore. Researchers at Cambridge University and Stanford University conducted a landmark study. They created an AI model and fed it nothing but Facebook likes. The results were stunning. With just 10 likes, the AI knew you better than a coworker. With 70 likes, it beat your friends. With 150 likes, it knew you better than your parents or siblings. And with 300 likes, it could predict your personality more accurately than your own spouse. Think about that. The random pages you liked years ago, a band, a movie, a political cause collectively reveal more about you than the person you share your life with. But it gets even more profound. These AI models aren't just spotting personality traits. They're detecting our deepest emotional states. New algorithms can analyze the language you use in your posts, the speed at which you type, and even the colors in the photos you share to detect signs of depression or anxiety with startling accuracy. Imagine an algorithm spotting your sadness before your best friend even notices you're acting differently. It's a future where a machine could be the first to know you're struggling, sometimes even before you admit it to yourself. This power is no longer theoretical, it's being deployed right now. Now, this incredible power is a double-edged sword. On one hand, the benefits are truly revolutionary. Imagine a world where AI helps doctors diagnose mental health issues earlier, offering a lifeline to those suffering in silence. In education, it could create personalized learning plans for students, helping them thrive based on their unique personality and learning style. It could even improve our relationships by helping us understand our partners better. This technology has the potential to save lives and enrich our human experience in ways we are only just beginning to understand. But there is a dark side. The very same AI that could help you could also be used to control you. The risks are enormous: a total invasion of privacy, subtle manipulation by advertisers who know your every weakness, and mass surveillance by governments. Remember Cambridge Analytica? That was the wake-up call. They used AI to build psychological profiles of millions of voters based on their digital data, and then targeted them with personalized political ads designed to influence their decisions. The same AI that could save lives might also control your choices, steering your opinions and your vote without you ever realizing you're being manipulated. It raises a terrifying question. In this new world, are our thoughts and choices truly our own? This isn't some abstract futuristic debate for billionaires in Davos or scientists in hidden labs. This is about you right now. Its impact is woven into the fabric of your daily life. When you browse Amazon and it recommends a product you were just thinking about, that's AI predicting your desires. When you swipe through a dating app, you're not just seeing random profiles. AI is working behind the scenes, matching you with people based on hidden compatibility traits inferred from your behavior, and it's happening in the workplace, too. More and more employers are using AI-powered software to analyze video interviews or online tests to judge your personality and decide if you're a good fit for the job. So, your love life, your career, your shopping habits, they are all being shaped by these invisible algorithms. This isn't just about your data, it's about how your data is used to make decisions about you, often without your knowledge or consent. This is why awareness is your first and most powerful defense. Understanding just how much information you're resharing and how it's being used is the first step to reclaiming control in an increasingly automated world. Because the biggest revelation is yet to come. Prepare yourself for the final, most unsettling truth. AI doesn't just know who you are right now. It is getting terrifyingly good at predicting who you will become. It's one thing for an algorithm to know your personality, it's another for it to forecast your future. Recent research has demonstrated that by analyzing patterns in your communication, location data, and social interactions, AI can predict major life events with shocking accuracy. We're talking about predicting relationship breakups weeks before they happen, forecasting when someone is likely to change careers, or even identifying individuals at high risk for certain health conditions long before symptoms appear. This is the biggest twist. The scariest part isn't that AI knows your past, it's that it might know your future better than you do. It sees the subtle patterns you miss, the slow drifts in your behavior that signal a massive change on the horizon. It can see the path you are on and predict where it leads. AI may know who you'll become before you have any idea yourself. It's not magic, it's mathematics, a cold, logical calculation based on the digital ghost you leave behind every single day. And the proof is already there, stored on a server, waiting to be analyzed. The story of your future is already being written, one click at a time. If this shocked you, hit that like button. It tells us you want more AI mysteries uncovered. Now, I have to ask you, do you think AI knowing you better than your family is a blessing that could save us, or a curse that could control us? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be reading every single one. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on the technologies shaping our world, make sure you subscribe to our channel for weekly deep dives into AI space and the future. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay cautious, and stay tuned. The future is closer than you think.